At Rollon, we're not just building components, we're building solutions. We also just built a new facility. But why should you care? If you're in robotics, material handling, aerospace, machine tools, healthcare, industrial machinery, semiconductor, or any other industry that requires mechanical, automated solutions, we can help make a difference in your business. Bringing our entire operation under one roof has changed everything. Faster collaboration, tighter quality control, and quicker results. Our customers expect speed, precision, and adaptability. And that's exactly what we're delivering. So let's talk about how.
When you bring us a challenge, we bring you a solution, fast. Our modular product lines are flexible by design, so we can tailor systems to your exact needs. We don't just engineer, we customize, refine, and assist you every step of the way. And with on-site customer support, we make sure our solutions work exactly how and where you need them. We're not just problem solvers, we're partners.
Our US-based operations put us close to our customers, geographically and strategically. That means shorter lead times, faster response, and local support. But we don't just move fast, we do it right. Our supply chain is built on quality, reliability, and consistency, because every detail matters.
The best solution only matters if it gets to the right hands the right way. At Rollon, we've made the process seamless with the support, transparency, and digital tools that customers expect. With platforms like My Rollon and close collaboration across teams, we deliver not just the best products, but the best results.
With the people, technology, and solutions to move your business forward, we're ready. Are you?